Hey guys, Jackson here. 2 days ago, I was at my auntie's. I was gonna go sit down by my cousin, and then a 3-year-old German Shepherd in dog years would be 22 years old, came up to me and bit me on the leg. I was bleeding for 1 hour. That hurt. I just want to get rid of that dog. It bit everyone in that house. It hurts. I'll show you. It was just like a big old line. I was taken to the hospital and it just hurt bad. They had to give me a tetanus shot, whatever it is. Subscribe for more, guys. I know I haven't uploaded videos in a while. The puppy that we got, Lily, she gone missing. So if you find her, she's a white puppy. And subscribe for more. Bye!